Okay, perhaps controversial item here, but continuing with just the exploration of a men's brand that you don't commonly see, that is newer, and the garment may take a good picture. That's my method, at least. This is the Secret Male brand, and this is a medium black one. They have, I think, this in blue and black, and it is a pretty small lace thong, and it's not that expensive. It's less than like $14. It's comfortable, it stretches out, is see-through. I like that the back is even more stretchy, a different material, very soft. It's comfortable. You know, if you like the style, you know, you're into it, it is kind of fun, you know, not for every day. It does have the bulge pouch, specifically men's, but different looking. You know, if you're into this and want to explore this zone of garments, then I think this is a good price and a good brand to try. You want to see this one on? Yay or nay? Okay, thanks.